win in today's world, every business has to transform themselves to become maniacally focused on the customer experience.
We can measure results, we can target segments, we can predict behavior, and I try to encourage marketers to embrace that.
One of the most sophisticated set of users of data in any company are the marketers. And I actually think companies have a lot to learn from their marketers about how to look at data.
We're uniquely placed to help you own that digital journey in an increasingly complex, fragmented, and rapidly changing environment so that you can make every moment personal and every experience shoppable.
Now with Magento and Marketo, the power of the Experience Cloud, it extends way beyond B2C into B2B for both the enterprise and mid-market.